Here's how to send a video through email. Sending videos via email can be tricky due to file size limits, but there's an easy workaround. I'll be using Gmail, but you can use any email provider that has a similar setup. First, make sure you have a Google account and open Google Drive. This is where you can upload your videos and create a shareable link. Go to the top right and click on the Apps button, then select Google Drive. Once in Google Drive, go to My Drive and click the New button on the left. Create a new folder to keep your videos organized, then click Create. Double-click the folder to open it. Next, click the New button again, and this time select File Upload. Find the videos you want to share, select them, and click Open to upload. After the upload is complete, click on the folder name at the top, hover over Share, and click on Share. Change the access to anyone with the link for easy sharing. Then click Copy Link. Now open your email provider, create your email, and paste the link into the message. Add a subject and recipient, and send it off. The recipient can click the link to view and download the video. That's it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.